Hi guys, today we're going to be making anything I have in my kitchen chicken soup. Welcome back to Cooking with Feffie. Today we're going to make a quick chicken soup. First you want to wash your chicken wings. You can also use leg waters, any part of the chicken actually. Cut it into small pieces, wash it, season it. I used adobo and sazon. You can really season your chicken however you like. I also used my green seasoning. The link for this recipe you can find in the description below. And then you're gonna season it, you're gonna mix it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you know the drill, subscribe. Then you're gonna set aside for about 20 minutes. Now for the soup, you're gonna add some oil, just a little bit, so that we can sear our chicken wings, especially because chicken wings has so much fat. I like to sear it a bit so it's a bit crunchy, crispy on the outside, brown. Then you're gonna add your bouillon cubes. So because one of the ingredients I only have in my house is pumpkin, I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna add some diced onions, mix it up. And then I'm gonna add some more of my green seasoning. Trust me, the green seasoning makes the soup a soup. Mix it up, and then you add your potatoes and your celery. And if you have sweet potato, if you have green plantain, if you have carrots, add them all in there. It's delicious. Now you're gonna add your water, and if you have corn on the cob, you can add that in there too. Stir it up, make sure it has enough water. And I also like to make this a healthy soup by adding some spinach. You can add freshly cut spinach, but I used frozen chopped spinach. That way the spinach pieces are quite small and the kids enjoy the soup as well. Then you're gonna add some vermicelli. I add vermicelli to make the soup a little bit thicker because I'm not a fan of a watery soup. And make sure to taste your soup so you can see if there's enough salt, and you add salt to your liking. Leave it cook until the potato and the pumpkin is soft. I was trying to make some dumplings for the soup and it really failed because I added too much water and I didn't have any flour anymore. So next time for that. And there you have it, a delicious, quick and easy, whatever I have in my kitchen, soup. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. Thanks for watching guys. Until the next time. Ciao.